Yeah, so as we're getting ready to finish up the inside of the house, right across from the casita, they are working on the casita here as well. So doing the finishing touches of the house, and then they're gonna continue working on the shikui here and also finishing up the wood floor. So unfortunately, we yet again another cost that we were not expecting is that we decided to go ahead and go with the thicker wood flooring, because come to find out that this little building was leaning, but it was actually leaning towards my right now, which is away from the retaining wall. It was leaning about 5 centimeters, and in order to level it out, we had to go ahead and remove the existing floor and make it level. Originally, we were going to go with the thinner type and not put the foam insulation and that type of stuff. And basically, it would just lay on top of it. But same concept as inside the main house ended up being in here. Yeah, no big deal as long as it's done right. Right now I'm here to measure some blackout curtains for the casita and get those in order as well. And here we see they're working on the toilet and the shower. And it's just gonna be, actually we're going to reuse the same toilet that was in this house. Out of everything in this house, that's about the only thing that we have reused as far as that type of stuff, because it was actually like a 2-year-old unit, so not bad at all. And actually I was talking to the gentleman that installed that original one. He was saying that, yeah, it's a fancy one. So he was contracted to remove it. Right now it's in my little man cave over there, and so he removed it from the main house, just kind of put the pieces in there, and then he's going to put that that toilet in this little casita. And so yeah, we got the concrete slash tile folks working on the weekend. Actually, they poor guys. I guess they're trying to finish up. They are doing the tile for the genkan, the entrance of the house, and I'm pretty sure they're going to be doing the same over here soon. And so yeah, this is gonna be our little guest house for friends and family when you wish to stop by here. Like we say in Spanish, mi casa su casa. So this would be mi casita su casita. Yeah, so let me just gonna make this short little update on the casita. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please hit subscribe and follow us along as we complete our Akiya renovation here in rural Japan. And after we're done with the construction, I'll still continue posting various videos of traveling around Japan and just continuously working in the house and the grounds. If you have not seen other videos, please go back and watch. We purchased this place in the summer of 2022, and it's been going on for like 8-9 months completing this renovation. Yeah, so even though it's the weekend, the tile guys were out here working on the genkan, the entrance. And actually, yet again, another thing I was surprised, I did not realize that it was going to extend all the way out to the sidewalk. Um, like I said, every time I mention something that I was not expecting, and there is something I was not expecting, I thought it was just gonna go into the main entrance. And these are the same folks that did this concrete work right here. I should say the tile work for the fireplace right here. Unfortunately, we came short a couple tiles, and we had to order a box, and that's gonna take about a week to come in. They also did a really good job on the siding right here of the this is the pantry area, but also the same quality of work on the laundry room. Yeah, so the concrete guys have left for the day. I'm finishing up my work for the day too. And let's see, so they again, even though it's Sunday, they're over here working on the genkan. Well, it's all covered up right now, but they already laid this tile, really nice tile. Same going into the house. I'm leaving for the day as well, so I'm not necessarily gonna go in there. And tomorrow's Monday, and next week is going to be a very busy week. The stove is coming, the kitchen unit is coming, the air conditioners and the delivery and all that stuff here for the next 2 weeks as well. One funny little thing I wanted to show. So I have been supplying these guys with American Coca-Cola. See right there, I get it from the military installation, and I also bring them some chips and whatnot. So I looked and see, well, let's see how many are left, and I turn it around in true Japanese fashion. There's one left. So no one takes the last one. If you go to a restaurant or you are eating with Japanese folks, that last piece remains, and everyone's like, oh, dozo, everyone, and it just stays there. So I just thought it was pretty funny. I had to share that.